Hi, I'm Sacha Liddiard, and I've been drop shipping on eBay and Amazon now for over 4 years. So, in this series of videos, I'm going to be answering some of your questions and giving you some top tips to increase your sales on eBay. I'm about to show you how to implement some simple strategies to boost your ranking, and you're going to discover how to save money and reach your goals, whatever they may be. So, I want to make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you're also going to want to hit that bell so you don't miss out on any new content. So if you're ready, we're going to dive right in and you're going to learn my 5 top tips to boost your eBay account today. My 5 top tips to get your account resurrected. So as I say, it's a quiet time of year, but also I had a period of time when I was concentrating on my Amazon business, and I just completely ignored my eBay business for a while. Sales just started to drop off. It does. If you are not actively in your account tweaking and adding new listings and doing stuff on a daily consistent basis, things will start to diminish. So you have to get momentum within your account, and you need to keep that momentum going. So in order to kickstart and give it a bit of a boost, it's momentum that's going to be really, really important. So a real quick tip, and it does work, and it's been working for years, this one, is that you do a bulk edit and drop your prices. May it be 50 cents, a pound, 50p, whatever it is, just do a mass drop, all right? And you will see, you should see an instant uprise. I was talking to somebody about this the other day, one of the girls in our group, and she did exactly what I said, and within half an hour, the phone went clickety click, ding dang dong, and she had sold an item. So honestly, it works. Don't always do it, don't abuse it, but it will work. So give that one a try. Now, what I also want to make sure that you have all checked when you go in and revise your listing, check and click on the mobile friendly checker. Now that is on your, I'm going to say top right, but that's my top left, wherever you're looking at me. The other way, that way. Okay, yeah, that's right, that way. It's there above the description, mobile friendly checker. So go and click on the mobile friendly checker and have a look there to just make sure that there's no meta tag missing from the header, and that everything else is in order. It'll give you all the information. It will tell you whether it is optimized for mobile or not. So many people don't even know it exists and wonder why their sales are dropping off, because people can't see it on mobile. All right. Now we're going to cover a lot more about that on the webinar tomorrow, about optimizing your listings and the things that you're doing to harm your account. So I'm not going to steal Carly's thunder on that one. But yeah, go and check your mobile friendly checker and just make sure everything is okay there. All right. Now for the next lot of listings that you're going to do, make sure you keep those listings at a lower price. Just have it in your head that the next 10, 15 listings that you're going to do is items that people are not going to take any major decisions over. All right. They're easy products to sell. No decisions are going to be made, and list those items. Look at seasonal items that need to be listed. So look, we've got back to school, back to college, there's festivals, so things like that. But storage and products like that are brilliant sellers on eBay. I've got storage boxes going out like there's no tomorrow at the moment. So those sort of things, people don't need to take many make major decisions on. Then go and list some of those. And we do teach you in the training about improved profits, higher profits that you can be making on your items. But if you're having to start all over again, you've had a bit of things have gone a bit quiet for you, then just don't think about the larger profits at the moment. We just need to get some momentum going. So keep those profit margins low just to begin with, and then you can increase those later. And you might want to go take a look at your hot sellers, those that you've sold previously, and maybe just mark those down to virtually nothing. Just get a couple of sales, and the sales from that will kickstart the rest of your eBay account. All right, so do that for me, and hopefully that is going to make a difference. Okay, and then with your hot sellers, just make sure They are optimized. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and have a look at my YouTube videos or anything else, or the videos on Dropship Blonde. And if you're in Infinii, then you do know what I'm talking about. Make sure you go and watch all the training that is in the Saturday archive. Okay, and last but not least, again, something we were talking about in the group this morning is how often you should be pruning your listings, and that is going to make a big difference. You can be doing a bit of pruning today and you'll see a change tomorrow. You need to increase your click-through rate, and the only way that you're going to be able to increase your click-through rate is by pruning your listings. What do I mean by pruning? I mean by taking some of your listings out and then putting back in with items that you are already selling. So similar items that you're already selling. All right, so that's like another quickie one for you. Now that was my 5. I'm going to give you an extra one because I've been banging on about it since the latest update. And every time I do a review on somebody's account, people are missing this, is free returns and 30 days. I'm still seeing people got 14 days. I'm still seeing people are, the buyer pays for the return. You want a quick boost, then that's what you need to do. Free 30-day returns. Okay. So that was an extra bonus for you. Now, what I've also got for you is I've done a new ebook, and I'm giving it away for free. So if you comment below free ebook, all right, but I also want to know whether you're a beginner or whether you're experienced on dropshipping on eBay or any other platform. So just give me a little bit of background. So free ebook and a bit of background about where you are in your e-commerce business. And then I will send you my free ebook, which is a 3-video series on how to increase your ranking on eBay. Now, as an added bonus, something I do for the guys in my group is that occasionally, once they've got to 100 listings, I say to them, get to 100 listings, and then I will do you a video review of your account. Okay. And the feedback I've got from that has been fantastic. People have really appreciated me going and having a look and giving them some tips. Now, I've done this for a few people that are not within Infinii, and they have benefited from that as well. So I actually did one from one of the guys. I think he's on. Yes, he is. He's on live at the moment. And I did one for him this morning, and he's only, bless him, he's only just started out, and he's been watching my YouTube videos, and he's doing everything that I've told him to do. And I did a review of his account, and but there were 15 things I found in there that he could take immediate action on to improve his account. All right. And that was, I didn't want to overwhelm him. So I didn't want to give him loads of other stuff that he could do. So there were 15 things that I could do. So my free bonus to you is for the first 5 people to comment below about the free ebook, and then they want a free review. I will give you a free video review of your eBay account. So that's for the first 5. Now, for the rest of you that also comment, because I know this video is going to be going for a while, anybody else that comments will also be available. It will be available, the free bonus of doing a video review, and I'll just pick that at random, and that will be over the next 2 weeks. All depends how busy I am, but guaranteed the first 5 will definitely get a free video review. But still, please comment, and you may be one of the lucky ones that I do at random. All right, and I will be in touch. So I say the best place for me to contact you is via Messenger. Okay, so I think that is virtually everything that I needed to talk to you about. I love that, Mark. I'm just going to put that out there. Yeah, is it free ebook, procrastination, expert needing motivation. I'm there for you, Mark. Obviously, we've been chatting for a while, and I really want to help you as much as possible. Who else we got here? And we got Julie, the lovely Julie, free ebook, eBay dropshipping in the US only for 2 years, but very part-time. Okay, wonderful. Okay, and we got Tracy, free ebook, experienced dropshipper on eBay 5 years, also sell on Amazon UK for the last year. Okay, and I wonder if there's anything I can tell Tracy, because Tracy knows so much. But if I could find a little thing to help her with, that would be great as well. So do you know what, Tracy, I'll give you that 5-minute
video review as well of your account. She probably doesn't need it. She's pretty much an expert. Tells me what to do most of the time. Okay, so that is it, guys. Keep commenting. So for those of you who are not watching live, you're not going to miss out. Keep commenting and you may be one of the lucky ones. All right, take care. Bye for now.